I've been working on this quest for the last 4 hours straight, no breaks, working, re-recording, setting this up so that you can learn some killer skills. I invite you to use your own file, but I think that's a mistake. Go ahead and work along with this, but you might want to use this starter file. This will be the same PDF I use so that when there are questions about, gosh, should I do that with this file? You're probably better off working with the starter file so that you can arrive at the exact same results. And the idea ultimately is not just to reproduce what I do, but to build on your own skill set so you can do some things that I've never imagined. I mean, how cool would that be? All right, so download this starter file, double click it, open it up. You got a PDF there, and you can use this in the videos to come. And yeah, there are 8 more videos, but lots of great skills that you're going to use in here all year long.